What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the sunroof switch on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1aauto.com. Just take a straight blade, pocket screwdriver, or even a trim tool, get in here, just pry this out. There's some clips that hold this in right there, right there, and right there. Just disconnect the connector for the switch. It just slides out that way. And then we can pop this out. There's two clips, one on each side. And slide the switch right out. So when we install the sunroof switch, if you have a new one, just keep in mind how you took the old one out. The solid arrow is going to go towards the front, and the outline arrow goes towards the back. So take this cover right here, slide it in like that. I'll take the connector, slide that in until it locks in place. We can slide this back. Snap it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.